your child doing in this annual day?
He absolutely loves it. So
It's boosting our child confidence. But I think that the decision that I had put her into IB, that was the first start of her future. And DRS is helping her with all the skills and the learner profiles, and the teachers are amazing. The curriculum is beautiful. So that's how it's shaping her future.
So, how do you think DRS is going to help shape your child's future?
DRS is a platform which gives knowledge and along the students international and international exposure. I think DRS is doing a very good job.
Initially, last 6 months he is here and his morale is very good. He is enjoying his hostels and he is enjoying the Kartik Aryan also. It was a big event before this. DRS will surely help very good to my child because here he is coming from all the way to Chhattisgarh to explore DRS plus all over India students.
See, I feel because it's only the studies is not the goal. He has to be overall development. So once he's participating in all the cultural activities, it will be great.
आज के टाइम में टेक्नोलॉजी का सबसे बड़ा टाइम इसके बगैर कुछ नहीं होता है और आप पढ़ाई करेंगे स्कूल में जाएंगे तो कुछ काम आएगी टेक्नोलॉजी इसमें अच्छे काम में देखना दूसरे काम में नहीं देखना आज क्या होना चाह रहे हैं उसमें सीधा देखने उसके बगैर दुनिया में कुछ नहीं
Technology into students' life, and how do you help them with technology? So integrating technology in the school, wherever a parent comes across the whenever they are going to work, the school, the commanders of the classroom, the format, the classroom is students are there inside. What do they have? What current student is going on? So basically, confidence issues. Confidence issues are basically a lot goes from the school, but yeah, a lot of hard work has to be done at the home as well, where you can get a kind of environment. If you don't know that, why don't you